Now that you've set up your employee into the system and registered for single touch payroll, you would need to launch a Payrun so that you can pay your employees. Here's how.
Hello, welcome back to another one of our How to Do video series. My name is Sean and I'm from Box Advisory Services. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to launch a Payrun. In our previous videos, I've shown you how to set up an employee and also set up single touch payroll. If you haven't watched those two videos, make sure to watch it because that is a prerequisite to this video. Okay, let's get into it. So click on payroll, click on pay employees, and click on add Payrun. Here you can select the pay period and you can see these are the calendars that you have set up before in your pay calendar. So I have set up previously in the previous videos 2 different pay calendars, and therefore it's called monthly and monthly 2, and therefore it appeared. So if you click on this, then click on next, what it'll do, it'll pull in all the data of the employees that are included in that pay calendar. So Jacob Collier was included in the monthly calendar, and if I go close and I input the other one, and I can just delete this Payrun first. So I click delete Payrun, and I click add Payrun, and I click monthly 2. You can see now LeBron James appears because LeBron James was attached to the monthly 2 payroll calendar and Jacob Collier was attached to the monthly calendar. Okay, so the use case of this is when you have some employees which are paid on a fortnightly basis, you can create a fortnightly payroll calendar by clicking on this, clicking on settings, and clicking on payroll settings. Go to calendars and add a calendar here. You can pay them fortnightly or weekly and then put the employee in the correct pay calendar. All right, so that's the use case of having different pay calendars. All right, so once you have done so, you have set up the pay calendar, you have put the employee and you run the Payrun, click post Payrun, and it'll ask you whether you want to post this Payrun. Click yes. Once you've done so, it will show this, and you can click Payrun options. You can email the pay slips to your employees straight away. And the reason why it's not shown here is because LeBron James does not have an email address inputted into it. But if you have put an email address into your employees' details, then it should be able to, you're able to click on it and email them straight away from zero. The next one is you can download an ABA file. So what is an ABA file? An ABA file is when you have multiple employees. Let's say you have 10 employees and you don't want to manually pay your employees through your bank app one by one because you're prone to errors, and it's just very tedious work. So what you can do is download an ABA file. It will download in a folder and you can upload it into your bank app. In your bank app, there'll be a section there for you to click on called Upload ABA File, and you can just upload it there. And what the bank app will do, it will pay all the employees in accordance to their net pay shown here, all at one go in bulk. So it just saves you a lot of time and it's accurate as well. All right. Another thing is you can click on here and click on View Payslips. So this is where you can view the payslips that are sent to your employees. Okay. And then you can also click on this and click on Payroll Employee Summary. So this is if you have a number of employees, you can see multiple employees here. You can basically view different types of reports through these view reports. Okay, what's not shown here is also the file button. So when you have registered for STP, the reason why it's not here, there'll be a green button here, but once you have registered for STP, there's a green file button and you have to click on that green file button in order to push the information to the ATO. And the reason why it's not here is because this is just a demonstration company. It's not registered for STP. So you have to click on payroll, click on single touch payroll and register for STP first, as shown in our previous video. Next, I'm going to teach you how to create an unscheduled Payrun. So an unscheduled Payrun will be used when you're paying, let's say, a bonus to an employee. So click on add Payrun, click on here and click on unscheduled Payrun. You select the payroll calendar. So if it's for LeBron James, I'm just going to use monthly 2, select the financial year, and then you select the period. When is that unscheduled Payrun meant to happen? So when's the bonus meant to be paid out? So if the bonus is meant to be paid out in August, I'll click on August and click on next. And you can see here LeBron James would be included, but you can see there's no pay template. The pay template is not extracted here because this is an unscheduled pay run. So you have to click on it, click into the employee, and then you can change the employee details here. So you can change the number of hours, you can change the rate, and basically pay out a bonus through this way, okay? So you can add an earnings line. If it's for overtime hours, you can click overtime hours here, and you can put in the hours and the rate for overtime. And then you can just simply delete the previous lines, okay? So that is all. Thank you so much for watching.